First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. We are back with Archer. We are going to attempt to fix the damage that Quinnie has created. So that's what we're going to try to do today. Just going to bash hammers and see what happens. Let's get it. Alright guys, we got the bumper off, got the light out, which was exciting because there's a lot of ants in it. And I think we might have to hook the forklift up to this and straighten it a little bit because this is not doing much work. I can't really get in there with a big hammer either. So I might look at possibly hooking up maybe to here. Not much, a lot of rust is eating it away, but somewhere around here, get the forky onto it, use that 4.5 tons. Rip it out.
Sounds like a charm.
Alright, let's see if I can have a try. I think we can.
I reckon if you just give it a quick love tap, just go reverse into it and see what happens. Might fix it. Very good. So that plan failed. What are we going to try now, David?
We're just going to try and open this dent up.
I think I should stand a bit more back this time.
You're freaking out, man. Freaking out. It's just hard. The options that we have here are a little bit scarce. I did this similar thing to my EF Falcon years ago, but it did have like a whole tow bar section. So it worked pretty well, but this one's a bit different here. The head's a bit different. So we'll work with what we have, and this is what we have.
Hey David, I have an idea. Should I drive this car that way and then you drive the forklift that way?
Or we could just leave the forklift position because the thing's steady enough.
Righto.
But I do want to look at that. That's what I needed. That will go in. This should work better now because that's actually going to pull what it needs to pull. Which is that corner out. Alright, so we're that's pulled back quite quite a bit, which is good, but I think it still needs to come down slightly, and then we can kind of focus on getting the spot for the tail light back. So I'll just unhook it and then I'll get the hammer out and see, start abusing it.
Number one didn't work, so we're gonna try this now, aren't we?
You gotta do what you gotta do, dog.
Number one panel shot.
Yeah, mate. This is panel beating. This is what panel beating is. You beat the panel with that. That's not the worst. Genuine panel beaters would be like, he's doing this all wrong. I probably am. I'm not a panel beater. I'm a mechanic.
Paint delete.
Alright guys, we've put the rear on Archer. It's not too bad, it's still a little bit wonky, but it's going to get hit again. So main thing we do is we just don't want to have a car that's always crashed when we go there. You might be thinking, but you guys have beaters that are always damaged. Well, some of them are a bit beyond actually repairing, but we still try to make them as tidy as possible. So that's what we're doing here. Yeah, another bumper. This bumper's better than what we started with, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to try and make it as tidy as possible while we can. And I'm sure we'll reach a point where it won't get tidy. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you, this one's on Tuesday, so I'll catch you on Thursday. Give a comment, share, like, subscribe. Give us a hug if you can. Catch us out.